your time. May susunod na. May susunod na. No. No. Look, pag ganyan ang ginawa mo, look what happens. See, pag ganyan ang pangit. So, always, yan ang nakababa. Pero wait, what happened?
Oh, I get it now. Mamu.
Kita mo na. I don't know what happened here. Okay, continue. See, you know what I mean?
Not really.
No, that's not good enough, Mark. That tape doesn't work. It doesn't. What you can do
Are you
is,
happy now? Oh, look.
you can do this way, ganyan. Or another one like that, pag maliit yung box, okay? Okay, continue yung isa.
Wait, then wouldn't you be waste?
No, you're not.
I'm
wasting.
confused now, Ma.
Kasi malaki itong mag-o-open to, kaya kailangan ko buo.
What about this one?
Hindi yung mag-o-open, maliit lang yung kanyang ganito eh.
Oh, I remember. Got it.
Okay, continue.
Ow, Ma.
Flatten mo, para hindi ka magka-problema. Pati yung lower part. Yan, okay. So, maliit na lang yan. Huwag mo siya, yan. Flatten mo. Yan. Ganyan.
Oh, I can take that. And
Okay, so pag ganyan, pwede mo na siyang i-ganyan. Okay?
Then, oh man, that part confuses me now.
Pwede mo i-ganyan. Why? It's so simple. See? Mas madaling
Like I'm
mag-ganyan.
flip.
Of course. Okay, go.
That's so weird.
Oh, na-confuse ka na.
Alright, hold on, Ma. Chill out. See, now that's really complicated.
Sige, bahala ka sa buhay mo.